Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to personalize your landing pages using CPV Lab, AWeber, and WordPress. So the first thing we need to go ahead and do to get started is we need to hover over the plugins tab here and then just go to add new. And then from here we need to type in URL params. So I already have it saved here. So we just need to click on the install now button. And then we need to click the activate button. Okay, so from here we just need to go to our landing page. And then we need to copy the shortcode. And I'm just going to paste it in the beginning here. And I also want to add some color to this. And I'm going to paste it one more time. Right here. And I'm going to go ahead and save. Now we need to go to our CPV Lab campaign, and we need to create a new parameter. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this icon here. And then we're going to go ahead and scroll down. And I'm going to give this token a name. So let's call this first name. And we'll name the parameter FN. And the placeholder, we're actually going to use AWeber's token here. And just paste this in. And it's real important that we make sure that this is clicked here if it's not checked. So we're going to go ahead and scroll down and save. Now we need to copy the parameter name that we created, and we just need to take this to our landing page. So let's go back here. Alright, so we just need to change this to the exact name that we used for our parameter, which is FN. And we're going to also do the same thing, oh, not here, but here. And then we're just going to go ahead and save. Now all we have to do is go to our messages. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the messages tab here. And I'm going to go to email that I already created specifically for this video. And we just have to paste in our CPV Lab link into the into this URL here. I'm also going to paste it into this anchor text and into a button. And AWeber is automatically going to insert the user's name for us because we used their token earlier in our CPV Lab campaign. So I'm going to go ahead and preview and test. Now when I click this, my name should automatically be inserted into my landing page. If I click the anchor text, the same should happen here. If I click the button, same thing should happen again. So anyway, I hope that helps you guys. This is a real easy way to personalize your landing pages and hopefully really increase your conversion rate as well. Just want to thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope to put out more soon. So take care, guys.